Hello and welcome to Box, where we unbox, demonstrate and review the latest tech. Today we're going to be having a look at the Samsung QN95A Neo QLED TV.
Now that may sound like a mouthful, but that's no exaggeration when looking at all of the amazing features that this TV has to offer. Lifting this TV out of the box, you get a great idea of the scale here. We have with us the 65-inch option, but this remarkable piece of kit also comes in a whopping 75 inches and even an 85-inch size. This TV means business, utilising the majority of the latest high-tech features to give you the ultimate viewing experience. So just inside the box, you'll find an array of accessories. It includes 2 remote controls, one regular and one universal, a connection cable for the One Connect box, a power cable and your setup guides.
Now as this TV is quite large, you can see that it needs a pretty hefty stand to hold it up. But just taking it out of the box, it's very heavy, it's quite weighted, so just consider the stand that you're going to put this on and how much weight it can hold. So just at the back of the box here, you'll find this rather large box. Now this is your One Connect box. This is going to hold all of your ports, such as your HDMI and your USBs, and this is what's going to be hiding all of the wires from the back of your TV.
I was interested to see that the universal remote comes with 2 charging options. You can either plug it into a power source using the USB-C port on the base, or it comes with an inbuilt solar panel on the back to charge through a light source alone. The stand comes in 2 sections that slot into each other, secured on the top by 4 screws. Once you carefully lay the TV face down on a secure, covered surface, you'll need to attach the stand on the back using the 4 screws provided. So as that was pretty straightforward, it's now set up on the stand, and it's simply a case of going through the setup stage. This part can sometimes be lengthy given the amount of personalised features on offer here, but if you don't have time to set this up yet, there is an option to just skip straight through to use. This TV fits nicely into any contemporary space with its sleek and unbelievably slim design. It can sit flush to the wall, leaving you with more space and opening up placement possibilities from wall mounts to thinner TV stands. With such a large display, it's great to see that full edge-to-edge picture offering that full unobstructed view. Following with the minimal theme, you'll be hard-pressed to find any trailing, messy wires. Because this TV uses a One Connect box system, the connecting cables from your various devices and accessories are all plugged into a separate box that holds all of your ports, freeing up surfaces and ensuring that nothing disrupts your view. It is quite ingenious, removing the risks of tethering short cords to the TV that can potentially cause accidents. And with a lengthy TV connection cable, you now get the freedom to place your consoles anywhere you like away from the TV. In terms of connections, the box houses an array of various ports, such as your standard LAN internet connection and aerial. But the most interesting part here is the 3 USB ports and the 4 2.1 HDMI ports. Of course, the multiple USB slots are great for plugging in an array of devices such as external hard drives. Though if you're a gamer, you'll be comforted by the possibilities of being able to connect multiple consoles at once without swapping cables between use. The screen is nicely balanced on a weighted stand in the centre, which leaves plenty of room underneath for accessories such as a soundbar. As you've come to expect with any modern TV, it's completely integrated with the latest smart technology, enabling instant access to your favourite TV and movie apps, without relying on other subscription boxes or consoles. But what's unique about this model is the genius features unique to Samsung. If you want to combine your phone alongside your TV, then the MultiView feature is a handy tool to use. So by connecting your smartphone, you can cast your phone screen onto the TV to simultaneously watch a show while checking your phone on the same screen space. If you often go to your phone during a show to check an actress's name or potential sequel news, both you and your friends can see the results without taking your eyes off the movie for a heightened connected experience.
So of course, with most Samsung TV models, it will largely have a preference for Samsung mobile devices. But if you are an iPhone user like me, you may not be able to use the MultiView feature, but there are plenty of screen mirroring capabilities that this TV does have on offer, such as screen mirroring and Apple AirPlay.
I feel like Samsung has really thought about how the user interacts with their TV by tailoring the interface to work best with your favourite entertainment choices. The Samsung TV Plus feature organises all of your on-demand apps alongside your live TV content to easily switch between shows with a pop-up bar, saving time trying to navigate complicated menus and buttons. I really like this feature for just watching regular TV shows if I'm not quite sure what I want to watch, but it also lets me access big name apps such as Netflix, Prime Video and Disney Plus whenever I want, with a simple touch of the button using the home screen. Finally, if you're looking for a new home workout routine, this TV has a perfect solution. The Samsung Health feature offers free access to over 3,000 hours of interactive health content to help you create your ideal workout in the comfort of your own home. It works together with your smartwatch to track your progress and integrate your devices into your routine to fully manage a healthy lifestyle. So this TV boasts a 3840 by 2160 display resolution capable of 4K quality, offering that stunning picture that truly offers a cinematic experience. So with this TV, we have a smart AI-powered 4K Neo quantum processor. Now this uses adaptive technology for focused lights and blacks, defined contrast and intense colour. It will automatically adjust brightness and contrast while upscaling the resolution of anything you watch. We found this with regular TV shows, but also with our favourite movies and games. All of this is possible due to the quantum backlight mini LEDs that help create an ultra-fine picture quality from across the room. On top of all of this, Samsung boasts the inclusion of their own elite Quantum HDR 2000 brightness powered by the HDR10+. This just means that colours and contrast are enhanced intelligently to create a picture that's more true to life as ever for a near flawless picture. So I wanted to try this out on a variety of movies and TV shows. And even watching some of the older 80s movies, I found that the picture was pretty crystal clear. The QN95A is amongst one of the best enhanced TVs on the market this year, mainly focusing on the integrated multiple gaming features that allow gamers to get the most out of their next-gen gaming console. With every piece of tech included to provide complete 4K detail in your game, you get to fully experience games as they were meant to be played. The display holds both QLED and HDR settings combined that make this super smooth, sharp gaming. One of the most sought after gaming specs for next-gen consoles is supporting full 4K gameplay at 120Hz. But as you can see here, it worked for us brilliantly as demonstrated on the Xbox Series X playing Gears of War 5. Now if you're looking for a bigger picture when gaming on your PC, you'll be pleased to discover that this TV includes the ultra-wide game view feature. With extended 21:9 and 32:9 screen ratios, you'll have more screen space to play with, allowing you to see more than your opponents. With a PC connected via HDMI or one of the remote connection interfaces available, simply equip the game bar to create quick change shortcuts that help adjust your gameplay modes during play. One of the most helpful features for gamers is the auto game mode. By entering the settings menu and toggling on the simple on switch, you'll find playing any game a much smoother experience. When activated, your TV will locate your console instantly, enhancing the signal to improve speeds, reduce overall lag, and alter your settings to run games at peak quality. We played both the PS5 and the Xbox Series X on this TV, and as you can see, they both played exceptionally well. Playing such beautiful titles only felt right on a TV like this. Especially with HDR enabled, the colours looked bright, the games played relatively smooth, and I enjoyed the uninterrupted gameplay on offer as all of the settings were automatically adjusted to make things comfortable. One of my favourite features here has to be the game bar at the bottom of the screen. I never had to wonder if I was playing the game at full spec because it gave me real-time information on refresh rate, lag and FPS while allowing me to adjust game settings with a press of a button without leaving the game screen. I found the Xbox Series X had a much better compatibility when it came to using the FreeSync Premium Pro VRR settings. After playing both VRR on and off, I could see the subtle differences when playing Gears of War 5 as everything looked beautifully smooth and I felt it really benefited greatly when I was playing games online. When it comes to TVs, the sound can be just as important as the picture. So Samsung have built an integrated intelligent sound system that truly complements the high visual quality. Instead of settling for the single audio output, this TV impressively has 8 dedicated speakers to deliver a true dynamic surround sound experience. While watching a busy, energetic action sequence, you can pick out individual sounds as they're thrown from various corners of the screen, using the object tracking feature, giving the surreal experience of being right in the middle of the action. I was impressed with the adaptive sound, as I know I'm normally turning the volume up and down when switching shows, but I hardly had to touch the volume controls at all. So after using the QN95A for several hours, I can see why this TV has been one of the most anticipated for gaming and general use. It seems to do everything effortlessly, opening up connectivity with every device in the home using simple interactions and auto features. As a gamer myself, I'd like to make the leap into procuring a TV that works in harmony with its specs, and the QN95A has definitely proven itself up to the task. Alongside all of the impressive gaming features, I do feel it lives up to its reputation, using as many automatic adjusting features as possible to enhance everything I watch. I enjoyed using the simple home interface to switch between apps, and it hardly took any time at all to get things set up the way I like it, such as personalising voice assistants and adapting the picture settings to make the most out of the smart features on offer. So what do you think about the Samsung QN95A Neo QLED TV? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe as we review the latest tech on offer. And as always, thanks for watching.